Welcome to the channel for Self-Taught Polyglot. Today I have a really special guest with me in normal school. His name is Pascal. I'm going to give him time to present himself in English.
Okay, I'm Social Pascal Etington. I'm a student. It's a pleasure for me today to be with you, Valentino, and to discuss together.
Okay, very good, very good. Social Pascal is a figure that I'm deeply passionate about, and the thing that he's been doing in the past 5 years, especially together in normal school. Today I'm going to be talking to him about the political uproar in Haiti and how it hinges us in Haiti when it comes to education. The first question that I have for Jean Pascal, it has to do with the educational system in Haiti. Jean Pascal, how do you think that the political issues that we have in Haiti prevents the emancipation of education in Haiti?
First of all, it's a very interesting subject. What I would like to say about education in Haiti, first of all, I remember a quote from Nelson Mandela: "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." And I think that we need to apply this quote in Haiti. In Haiti, the education system is in a very critical situation. First of all, we politicize it. So when it is about education, that must be free, that must be independent. Everybody must have access to education. But it is all the contrary, it's opposite in Haiti. In Haiti, we politicize education, so we turn away from people who have capacity, abilities to teach, and generally we use other people who can practice politics better, and people who also can take guns to defend themselves and to defend the system too. And we give priority to these people. This is very critical. The education system must be reformed. And I think that the first thing that we have to do is to form better our teachers, to give them furnitures, to give them all means that allow them to be better than that. And we need to frame them. That means, and to make them important in the system, they must be the key of the system. And I think that we need a new generation. We need a new education system. An education system based on credibility, ability, competency, and reliability. And in order that the new generations must be better, so that our country can be better, because such education, such country.
Very good, very good. The next question that I have for Pascal, you can see that for the next 5 or 10 years, more and more people are giving less importance to education in general in our country. Why do you think that is the case?
First of all, it's not their fault. This is a tendency. So I can say that, imagine that when we have some governments that give more importance to fucking shit things than education, it's normal.
Yeah.
For example, if we have a project, if we have an education project, we ask them to finance the project. They prefer to finance other things, other bullshit things, than education projects. generally, where there are more people, they invest in that. They are just practicing politics. They don't need to know if education is important or not, but the most important thing for them is to politicize everything. They even politicize education, and that's bad. This is the problem. And if we don't change that, we are going to be the shame of the world if we don't change this problem. We have to solve it. So how this problem can be solved? First of all, the government must give more possibility to people who are instructed, who are formed, the people who know the country. They must have the possibility to work, to share their ideology, and to impose themselves.
Very good.
Yeah, exactly.
Very good. That was Pascal, a friend of mine from normal school. It's a great pleasure for me to be with him. We're gonna have some future videos, future episodes on the channel, the YouTube channel, Self-Taught Polyglot. And it's a pleasure for me, guys, to be here with you, especially with Charles Pascal, Nicosa, and a lot of other people. We are just working together in the YouTube channel. We want to expand that channel. So thank you guys for watching my videos on YouTube. It was a pleasure for me to see you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Self-Taught Polyglot, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.